Portable CD players are back, and Fiio just threw the gauntlet down with the $270 15 German marks. A device that on paper promises desktop-grade audio in a handheld package, modern connectivity options, and enough power to rival many of today's portable players, but does it actually deliver? Or is this just nostalgia wrapped in shiny specs? The 15 German marks immediately grabs attention with its claimed R2R DAC and a staggering 1150 NW output. Features that sound like overkill for a format most people thought had vanished. But as always, the numbers only tell part of the story. While the unit feels solidly built and the design is sleek enough to catch the eye, the reality of using it reveals the usual compromises that come with portable CD players. The interface can feel dated. Load times are noticeable, and battery life, though decent, doesn't exactly justify the premium price. Connectivity is modern enough with USB and line outputs, but wireless options are absent, reminding you that portability still comes with a few sacrifices. Audio performance is nuanced. The R2R DAC gives a slightly warmer sound that could appeal to fans of analog-like playback. Yet it doesn't dramatically outperform high-end digital portables or budget DAC-equipped devices, leaving you questioning whether the engineering is groundbreaking or simply indulgent. Comparisons with other portables reveal a curious middle ground. It's more powerful than many, but it doesn't completely redefine expectations for sound quality or convenience. At $270, the 15 German marks is clearly a niche product targeting collectors or audiophiles who appreciate the tactile feel of CDs in a modern shell. Yet for the average listener, the cost versus practical benefit might not be compelling. Ultimately, the 15 German marks sparks debate. Is this the pinnacle of portable CD engineering or just a clever play on nostalgia? Either way, it forces you to weigh what you truly value in a portable audio player today, blending old-school charm with partial modern sensibilities.